Let us solve this problem using the Euler's totient method. Here he is asking the remainder when 25 power 31 is divided by 18. The Euler's totient formula is whenever a fraction is in this form, a power totient of b when divided by b, then the remainder will be 1. Okay, here you have to remember two conditions. The first condition is that a and b should be co-primes. The second condition is that the power should be totient of this denominator. The totient can be calculated using this formula. Totient of b is equal to b into 1 minus 1 by prime factor 1 into 1 minus 1 by prime factor 2 and so on. That is, let us calculate it for 18. Totient of 18 is first prime factor is 18. That is 2 into 3 square. Now apply this formula. Totient of 18 is equal to 18 into 1 minus 1 by prime factor 1 is 2 no, into 1 minus 1 by prime factor 2 is 3 no. There are no prime factors, so I am stopping it to second prime factor. So if you solve this, you will get 6 as the totient. Totient of 18 is 6. Now consider this 25 power 31 divided by 18. This can be written as 25 power 30 into 25 divided by 18. Okay. Now, if you consider this part, it is Euler's totient formula only. How? This 30 can be written as the multiple of totient 18, right? That is 6 into 5. So, the remainder for 25 power 30 divided by 18 will be 1. What is remaining? The remaining is 25. 25 is remaining now 25 when divided by 18. What is the remainder? This is 7. The final remainder will be 7, that is D as our answer.